major boost to defence sector. The Defence Acquisition Council or DAC, chaired by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, has accorded acceptance of necessity for various proposals of the three services amounting to a total of about 79,000 crore rupees. Prakash is joining in live with more updates on this. Prakash, over to you.
Well, that's an important development for the domestic defense sector as the DAC, that is Defence Acquisition Council, has approved a proposal worth rupees 79,000 crore for procurement of various equipments, weapons for the Indian Armed Forces. So very significant development coming in. In fact, if you look at these details which have been approved by the DAC for Indian Army, in fact, proposals to procure loiter munition system, low-level lightweight radars, long-range guided rocket for Pinaka, MRLs have been approved. Along with that, for Indian Navy, in fact, high-frequency software-defined radios, manpack, leasing high-altitude long-range system, remotely piloted aircraft system have been approved. Procurement of, and when it comes to Indian Air Force, procurement of equipments and weapons such as automatic takeoff landing recording system, Astra Mk-2 missiles, full mission simulator and a SPICE 1000 long-range guidance kits have been approved by the Defence Acquisition Council. A very significant development coming in, and most importantly, these proposals have been approved under acceptance of necessity. That means emergency procurement will be made, and out of all these approvals, 90% of the procurement will be done through domestic sources. That means domestic defense sector is going to get boost. Domestic manufacturing companies will get big orders going forward, and that is, of course, provide big boost to the domestic defense sector. An important development coming in, and probably this was last meeting of DAC in 2025, where proposals worth rupees 79,000 crore has been approved by the DAC. Back to you.
All right, thank you so much for joining us, Prakash. Let's move on to the next story. In the Unnao case, amid massive protests against the bail of Kuldeep Singh, the Supreme Court has stayed the Delhi High Court's order which suspended the prison sentence of the former BJP MLA in 2019 Unnao rape case. The top court bench, headed by Chief Justice Surya Kant, ruled that Singh will remain in jail and also issued a notice to Singh on the CBI's plea challenging the order that suspended his life sentence. Now, Singh has been provided 4 weeks to reply to the notice. Remember that last week the Delhi High Court had granted him bail, to saying that he has already spent 7 years and 5 months in prison, and granted him conditional bail.
Well, that was an absolute mockery of the Indian judiciary system, Ankita. On that note, it is time for us to conclude.